Urban planning plays a crucial role in shaping the future development of cities. One of the key aspects of urban planning is predicting how cities will grow and evolve in the future. In this regard,
the future simple tense is a valuable tool that urban planners use to describe future city layouts and infrastructure. By using the future simple tense, planners can convey their predictions and plans for urban development in a clear and concise manner. One way that urban planners use the future simple tense is to describe future transportation infrastructure. For example, they may say, "In the future, there will be a high-speed train connecting downtown to the airport." This simple sentence uses the future simple tense to convey a clear vision of how transportation in the city will be improved in the future. Another way that the future simple tense is used in urban planning is to describe future land use. For instance, planners may say, "In the future, this vacant lot will be transformed into a park with playgrounds and green spaces." By using the future simple tense, planners can describe their vision for how urban spaces will be transformed and utilized in the future. Furthermore, the future simple tense is also used to describe future economic development in cities. Planners may say, "In the future, this industrial area will be redeveloped into a mixed-use district with shops, restaurants, and residential buildings." This sentence conveys the future economic potential of the area and how it will be transformed to meet the needs of the city's residents. In conclusion, the future simple tense is an essential tool in urban planning for describing future city layouts and infrastructure. By using the future simple tense, planners can clearly and effectively communicate their vision for the future development of cities. With the use of illustrative examples, planners can paint a vivid picture of how cities will evolve and grow in the years to come.